All my students, put your microphone on and give a big, lovely applause to our champion, Petru, who has passed with a
Congratulations.
very proud
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Auguri.
Wow, wow, congratulations.
Sorry. Just okay, I put away now. Petru, where are you? Petru,
Here.
I put the lights off. Okay, there you are. Hold on. Let me just position you here. I'll be next to you, and I welcome you. Tell me now, Petru, how are you feeling?
Oh, I still cannot believe it. I still cannot believe it. Firstly, I want to say thank you to you. Without you, there is no way I could have done it. I have delayed this journey for 7 years.
Okay.
And one of your previous students, actually, or one of the students currently, gave me your particulars and was the best decision ever. So thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. For you guys that is still in the class, hang in there, put in the effort. And if you follow the instructions of Ambrish, you will make it. I got it on the second try because the first try didn't take the advice of Ambrish.
Okay, now you're telling me.
So I can guarantee you, if you don't follow his advice, you're gonna go twice like me. So follow his advice. It really works, even if you think it is useless. It does work, and all I can say is thank you so much for your understanding and your patience with us. You are one of the most patient people that I have ever met in my life.
Thank you. That's the biggest compliment. I do appreciate that. You're from South Africa, and I know we have other students also came from South Africa.
Yeah.
And the fact that the night before the exam, I did a quiz with you, and in the morning 6 o'clock, the things I told you, just it's not only the quiz. I also give you advice to this, which you will don't need to repeat, because people say I do magic. I don't do magic, but only when people do what I say, it works. So it's a technique. It's because whatever people don't understand, they think it's magic. But anyway, did that help you? Did that make a difference?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, perfect. So if you want any advice to give to your colleagues before you go, and one more thing, Petru, now that I have delivered my promise, I told you I'll make you pass, and all of you that you're listening now, I'm telling you one more time, nobody will give me without the license, but as long as you do what has been told, okay? So because that's why. And second thing, so I delivered that promise. Now for your practical exams, which I have not said anything about it, when you go to give your exams, exactly 4 days before. Now I have monitored time that I need for at least 6 days before. 4 days before your exam, give me a call. I'll provide you with material. And then 2 hours before you're giving practical test, I will prepare you mentally that you will pass in the first trial. But this time, do exactly what I tell you. It's like a script of a movie. Like you're a Bollywood star. I'll tell you, do this. It'll happen.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but I know the human psychology. Thanks a lot, Petru.
Thank you so much.
I wish you all the best, and I'll wait for your friends to come and join. Okay, make sure that
Thank you.
you made us very proud. Goodbye. Thank you very much. God bless you.